All right, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will teach you about stocking your store with products. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Okay, now let's wrap up by adding some products. On the main menu, click Apps, then click the Oberlo app. Click Add App, then click Install App. Once installed, you'll be redirected to the Oberlo dashboard. Click the Explore Products in Step 2. Let's look for men's fashion watch since this is our current niche. Let's type 2020 fashion watches for men. Once you're ready to add the product, click the Add to Import list. Now let's see our import list. Click Import List on the side menu. Here are the potential products for our store. Let's go over the different tabs and customize them. At the Products tab, we can change the product title. Next, let's edit the description. You can delete any unnecessary information here or update any information as needed. Then we can proceed to the variants. Finally, let's select the images that will appear in our store. The images with the green border will be added to our store once we click Import to Store. Once OK, click Import to Store. Let's check our product in the Shopify admin. Go to Products again, then select the product we imported from Oberlo. At the product editor, we can see the changes that we made in Oberlo. If you need to change any details, feel free to update it here. Let's update our product quantity. Then click Save. Let's preview how our product looks like in our store. Now let's add our second product. Go to Oberlo again, then click Import List. Select your second product to add, then let's start editing again. Let's update the product title. Then the description. Next, the variants. Lastly, let's choose our images. Once you're satisfied with all the changes, click Import to Store again. Do the same for all the products on your list, then check how it looks in your Shopify admin. Lastly, don't forget to preview how it looks like at your actual store.